Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all 1000 calorie diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 3 kgs in 7 days very easily. This diet plan is super effective for weight loss, and at the same time my lots of clients have followed this diet plan recently for weight loss transformation, and they were able to see great weight loss happening for themselves, and so can you. So for personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with 1000 calorie diet plan to help you lose weight fast, with the help of which you'll be able to lose 3 kgs in 7 days very easily. Starting our day with early morning drink, which will be methi neem water. Now to prepare this water, all I have done here is taken methi seeds, some mint leaves, boil it approximately for 2 to 3 minutes, and then strain it and have it for your early morning drink, empty stomach. Methi seeds or fenugreek has anti-inflammatory properties, and at the same time neem is a blood purifier. So this drink works great for PCOS, PCOD, thyroid, and at the same time for people to clear the acne as well. If you cannot have this for your early morning drink, then you can always substitute this with ACV water, that is apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is to simply add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water, mix it well and have it empty stomach. Now this drink basically helps to lower your blood sugar levels and at the same time boost your metabolism for the entire day. You can buy best apple cider vinegar available in the market, and the link is given in the description box below. Moving on towards our breakfast, for which I'll be giving you 2 options. The first is for all the vegetarians out there. Best option for you is consuming 3 egg whites omelette. In this veggie omelette that you can prepare, add lots and lots of vegetables seasonally available, that is spinach, carrots, capsicum, bell peppers, onion, tomato, whatever you basically like to add, and prepare a good fluffy omelette out of it. Or you can even have 3 boiled egg whites, add a pinch of black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder over it, and have it for your breakfast. Great amount of protein and at the same time good complex carbs, keep you satiated for a longer time of the day, and at the same time help you get your protein intake as well of the day. Second option is for all the vegetarians out there. You can have the recipe of club sandwich. Now here is the complete recipe, go check it out. I'm adding cucumber, yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers, capsicum. Along with this I'm adding corns. Now these are boiled corns, you can use raw corns as well. Along with this I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Now you can use hunkered also in the place of Greek yogurt. And for seasoning I'll be adding here freshly crushed black pepper, freshly crushed pink Himalayan salt, and now all you have to do is just mix it all well. Now in 2 slices of multigrain bread I'll be adding lots and lots of iceberg lettuce. You can use normal romaine lettuce as well, add good amount of it for the fiber, and to this I'll be adding the mixture that we prepared for the sandwich. You can have the sandwich raw as well, but I like to always grill my sandwiches, so I'll be grilling it out, and you can see how beautiful the sandwich looks. You can have it with tea or coffee, but make sure to add no sugar to it at all. Now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack, which will be either you can have 1 cup of green tea or you can have matcha tea as well. Now 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. So the antioxidant level is very high. You can try Eat More Lose More's matcha tea as well, and the link to buy is given in the description box below. Along with that, you can have 1 fruit of your own choice, any seasonal fruit available. You can have strawberries, berries, pineapple, guava, orange, whatever you like, and enjoy your mid-morning snack. Now let's proceed towards our lunch, and as usual 1 hour before our lunch we'll have apple cider vinegar mixed in lukewarm water. Prevent any kind of insulin or blood sugar spike when you have your lunch, and at the same time to clear your digestive system very quickly after lunch. Now proceeding towards our lunch options, the first one is you can have beetroot oats roti, and the recipe for beetroot oats roti is here taken Eat More Lose More's gluten-free oats flour. To this I'll be adding grated beetroot and just knead the dough with little water, and your soft dough is ready. All you have to do is just sprinkle little oats flour over it and prepare chapatis with this flour. Trust me, it will come out so tasty and at the same point very healthy in each and every manner. Along with that, you can have any seasonal sabzi plus curd plus salad. Second option for lunch is veggie pulao. And here is the full recipe of veggie pulao. In a pan I've added some oil. You can use olive oil or desi ghee or sesame oil as well. I'm using here olive oil. To this I'm adding jeera. At the same time I'll be adding some ginger and green chilies chopped. Let it saute for at least 1 minute. To this I'll be adding chopped onions. And while the onions are getting golden brown, at the same time I'm adding here lots of vegetables. So I'm adding here some chopped potato, carrots, cauliflower, French beans, some peas, and mixing it all well. To this I'll be adding all the spices of your own choice. I'm adding here salt, red chili powder, some haldi. At the same time I'll be adding coriander powder as well. Gives you great taste for the pulao. And to this I'll be adding 2 cups of water because I'm using here 1 cup of rice only. Mix it all well and let it simmer for at least 10 minutes. And your healthy veggie pulao is ready. You can have it along with curd, raita or salad, whatever your preference is, and enjoy your delicious vegetable pulao in a very healthy manner, high fiber, at the same time low in carbs as well because we are adding here more veggies and very less rice. Proceeding towards our third option for lunch is besan chila. Now I prepare my besan chila in a very colorful manner, adding lots and lots of vegetables and at the same time different colors, bell peppers to it. So let's check out my recipe for besan chila in a very healthy way. So I'm using here approximately 2 tablespoons of besan. At the same time, half a tablespoon of suji to give the chila a little crunch. At the same time, 1 tablespoon of oats flour. Mix it all well and I'm adding here some ginger green chilies chopped, green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers and red bell peppers all finely chopped, and some coriander chopped as well, fresh. To this add all your spices of your own taste, salt, red chili powder, pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, some coriander powder and at the same time some methi crushed as well. I prepare the batter with some curd and soak in you and always adjust the consistency with some water. Heating here a non-stick pan and to this then I'll be adding a little bit of oil and then over this I'll be adding the batter. Make sure the batter is not very runny in the consistency. Flip it over when it's done and seems golden brown in color and your delicious besan chilas are ready to serve with some mint chutney or with some curd. Enjoy a healthy, colorful and nutritious besan chila, very low in calories and at the same time very high in protein and good complex carbs. Now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack, which will be either you can have tea or coffee if you're a tea or coffee lover, but make sure to add no sugar to it at all. Or you can always have 1 cup of green tea or at the same time matcha tea as well. 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea and it's a detoxifying drink, so make sure to consume at least once in a day for good weight loss results. Along with that, you can have 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts and 1 anjeer as your mid-evening snack. Now let's proceed towards our dinner options. So keeping it low calorie for the dinner, we'll have tomato zucchini soup. Now the recipe for my tomato zucchini soup is here. You can check it out and it's very delicious and at the same time very warm in nature as well and keeps you satiated for a longer time of the night. If you cannot have this because of any reason, you can always have oat with fruits. Now the recipe for my oatmeal with fruits is here. Yet again very low in calories, good complex carbs, prevents constipation of any type for the next day and very nutritious as well. Here is the complete recipe, you can check it out. And for our bedtime drink, we'll always have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. It reduces your stress levels for the entire day, gives you good hydration levels and at the same time boosts your metabolism for the entire night. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly and at the same time to help you stay hydrated for the entire day. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. Please subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming videos, weight loss tips and tricks, diet plans and client transformations as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.